First thing we want to do is clear the weapon. We do that by placing it on safe, by removing our magazine, by pulling our cocking handle to the rear and checking our chamber, make sure that's empty. We then let the bolt go forward. There's a series of locking pins on the xm8, two in fact, located here and here that are removed. We simply push those out. Those go in from left to right hand side. There's a place here in the bridge on the weapon to store that pin. We then remove our buttstock module, which is interchangeable with other types of buttstocks on all the different variants. We then remove the pin from the handguard. That can also store again in our bridge here on the top, and there's locking pin storage holes, like so. We slide our handguard off. And then we simply rotate our lower receiver down. That'll come off the upper receiver as a complete unit. And then we just simply take our bolt group out, like so. Now the bolt group on the xm8 is very, very similar to that of the M4 carbine. In fact, you can give this bolt group to someone who's been trained on the M16 and the M4 carbine, and they'll know exactly how to take it apart because the procedure is exactly the same. It's a great advantage for the operator for training. Bolts can be taken apart down to the simple parts. You can also, with the xm8, remove the gas system. The operator can do that once the bolt is out. He simply pulls the pusher rod out into the rear, like so, and he takes his gas piston out. At that point, even down to unit level then, a simple wrench is used to remove the barrel and replace it with a different barrel or a different length barrel. Reassemble the xm8. If we removed our gas system, which we don't have to do for cleaning, we'd reinstall that by first reinstalling the gas piston into the cylinder. Then we install our pusher rod, which goes in behind it, like so. Next thing we'll install is our bolt. Bolt's already assembled. We simply drop it into the back of the receiver, like so. We place our lower receiver on the upper receiver by engaging the front of the lower receiver on our upper, swing that up in place, and then install our buttstock so that it goes into the rear. In this case, we have the retractable buttstock. Take one of our locking pins out that we had kept in storage there, install that into the buttstock. Then we take our handguard, slide that over the barrel, bring it back in place on the receiver, and again our second locking pin in storage goes into that position like so. The weapon is back reassembled.